There's the old pipe on top with a huge hole and a lot of rust and a 3.5 inch tip which makes a deep noise, but I'm pretty sure that it flows really badly. Both old and new pipes are stock. The new one seems to have a bit longer flex tube and much better bends than the old one. One interesting feature is that the pipe inlet is a bit larger than the pipe after the flex tube. Inlet outside diameter is 59mm or about 2.3 inches and outlet is 54mm or a little over 2 inches. The resonator is a 41cm or 16 inches long and with 2 inch inlet and outlet. It is breathe-through style with small holes inside and I guess with some kind of wool around it, so it should flow pretty good, as resonators usually do. New exhaust with pretty much all bits and pieces was around 250 euros, which is about $300. I welded the tubes with a cheap fluxcore welder, not pretty but works. Then I painted the pipe with a hot paint. One reason to put a new exhaust was a bit excessive noise, especially on longer trips and daily driving. Turbo whistle was every now and then a bit annoying, but hey, let's be honest, it is pretty cool sound when you're at that mood. Another reason was inspection guy who strongly recommended putting at least some kind of muffler to the exhaust. On previous annual inspections, the exhaust has been okay. I also made some new hangers for the exhaust and ended the pipe so that it is very unlikely to touch ground, rocks or trees in a serious off-road situation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like.